Welcome to Mr. C Cyber Gaming. I'm your boy Krish. Today we are on another exciting video to go through the most 6 required accessories for your ZV E10 camera. If this is your first time you're going to buy the camera, or if you already own one, I bet you should have these following items with me. Come, let's go ahead and check it out. So, recently I purchased a new camera, which is the Sony ZV E10, which is very famous for vlogging and for your traveling purposes. So I wanted to protect this because I will be using for all purposes. So I decided to buy these following items in order to protect this camera. So let's go and check it out. So on this video I will also leave all the details of the items on the description, so you guys could be able to use my link to make the purchases, and that's going to help my channel as well. So these are the 6 items that we will be talking about today, and so I just want to quickly show all the boxes that comes with, and so then we can be able to unbox it and go through it. So let's start. So this is a digital filter. That's a JJC multi-coated 40.5 mm UV filter. This is the exact filter that actually fits with your kit lens. So this is going to protect you from any dust or scratches on your main lens. So I will strongly recommend to spend like about $17 to get that additional lens and cover it, so you guys could be able to use that lens for a long time. The next one is a screen protector which I got, and so basically let me show you how I did it. So they actually gave all the stickers, like a small tissues and everything, so which you could be able to clean the lens before you apply the filter on it. So it was pretty easy. So as I just followed all the number steps 1, 2, and so you guys could be able to see I'm just doing it on my own, and it looks clean. And so now I use the sticker to take all the dust from the screen, so before I apply the filter. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this filter on, and I just make sure that I align it properly and swipe it like that. That was a pretty easy thing, right? You guys could be able to do it. So it actually got it very nice, and I really liked it. And the next one is the ULANZI LED video light. I will be showing you a little bit later once I open the tripod. So let me quickly open it and show you the light, how it works. It comes with a cable that you can be able to charge your light with it, and it actually lasts for a long time of frame. So basically it is a good thing to have it. If you have a low light area, you can use the light to give some additional thing, and it actually gives you the option to increase the light, and it's quite powerful though. Like, you guys could be able to see it. But let's talk about this a little bit later. I'll just keep this aside for now. It also comes with the mounting port as well, so you could be able to mount with any of your gadgets or tripods or your camera. So let's open the rest of the others and we can go through it. So this is the SMALLRIG ZV E10 cage with silicone handle. This is definitely a game changer for the camera, because the ZV E10 is a very light camera, and it actually doesn't have a proper grip. So if you're holding it for vlogging or any purposes, I will strongly recommend you to get the SMALLRIG cage, which comes with a silicone handle. And once I place that in, it's beautiful. So it's basically, I'm very excited to getting this product. It's pretty costly though, but I really like the SMALLRIG's brand and ULANZI, so I actually went with that. So none of them, I'm not sponsored or anything for any of these items. So basically I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. Look at this. Once I add the SMALLRIG cage, it gives a better look to the camera, and also it's gonna protect from any fall or any damages on the camera. So because ZV E10 is like a quality of it is like a plasticky, so because it's gonna help you to protect your camera with the steel cage. And with this cage, it also comes with lots of holes on it, so which gonna help you to attach any further equipments on a later stage. So I'm just fixing it up so I could be able to show you once it's done. Alright, so have a look guys. This is once I put the cage on, and it's easy to hold on with the grip on it. And there you go. And it has the screw, and they also give a magnetic screwdriver which has been put on it. Excellent. I like it. So the next one on the list is the Video Micro, which is from the Rode. I really like the Rode products, but it's basically I went with the cheaper model of the mic because the Sony already came up with an excellent microphone. But I will share some of the videos which I took later, and you guys could be able to see the differences on this. So basically this is the actual mic that comes with it, and also it comes with a wind protector as well. It looks like a small, like a pet, but it's really cute and it's easy to fix it in. So you can just slide it through the camera port and you can just screw it up to tighten it. It was not bad because when you're inside and you're doing the video, you guys don't need to apply the wind guard. But when you are doing it apart from that, or when you're outside on a wind, I will strongly recommend you to do it. So this is the one I'm plugging in, and then I open the port for microphone on my camera, and when I do plug this on, it connects with the camera and you're gonna have a perfect mic. Alright, so that's pretty much is it. So I'm just getting this done, and let me put this on as well. So just want to show you how it looks, and I'm just gonna be using it only outside, and when I'm shooting it inside I'm just gonna remove that off to get a better clarity of it. Alright, so let's keep the camera aside. Now I'm going to open the exciting box. This is the MT47 ULANZI's camera tripod. It's an aluminium, and also it actually comes with a better grip, guys. So it's very strong and steady, and I'm just gonna show you how exactly it looks like once I put that in. So look at it, it's very easy. So you just take that port and connect with your SMALLRIG cage. So I'm just gonna get that connected now. I'm trying to be very careful with the camera as well as not to lose anything, you know, like I don't want it to over tight it as well, so just want to be careful about that. Alright, so now it's very easy. You just have to slide it through and scroll the wheel to lock it, and that's gonna give you a protected lock. It's not gonna fall off, guys. It's very steady. I really like that one. So once I get this fixed, then I could be able to get my lights on and put it in. I can show you guys how it looks like. So there you go. This is how the tripod stands, and it's very strong. You guys could be able to screw it up, and there's a ball which you could be able to move around the way you want it. And so now I'm trying to put the lights on as well. So there's an attachment. You could be able to slide the light in, and then that's it. It's basically, that's how you're gonna get it fixed. So let me tie the light first, because I just wanted to use the screw that comes with the light itself. It allows you to tie that light. Now it's not gonna fall off. Beautiful. So your camera is all set for you to do the vlogging. And there you go, guys. You have the light, you have the camera, microphone, and let's go and explore outside how it's gonna look. Come, let's go and walk with me, guys. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining me on this adventure. Your support fuels my passion, and I promise to continue bringing you more exciting content that ignites our sense of wonders and adventure. Remember to stay connected, as there's so much more to come from Mr. CYBER Gaming. Until next time, thank you for being amazing, and let's continue making magical memories together. Signing off, Krish.